Hey, so this is London. If you are watching this channel for the first time, hello, this is Lesson World, and do well to hit the subscribe button. If you are a returning subscriber, yay for coming back, and keep watching, sharing, commenting, and all those lovely things. This is London Victoria Station, and stay with me.
Service to Brighton via Red Hill and Gatwick Airport. Please make sure you have the correct ticket to travel on this service. Please note.
In the city, I was raised on its edges. My pop worked his life when his complex.